Hi everybody. This room might not look very familiar to you except for in one video. If you saw that video, it was called Glad to Be Back, and so this is the pool room, setting it up as my new studio. And I'm eating Pringles. So, with today's video, we are making paper airplanes. Dang it. So, I'm going to show you a few paper airplanes. And the first one is called the Tornado. I tried to make a video about this earlier, but it got messed up. So, making the other one. So first, of course, paper. Isn't it called paper airplane? So you take your sheet of paper, see it's straight up like this, but you want to make it a sideways rectangular form like this. Now when you have that, like every other paper airplane you've probably ever made, if not, then I don't know. I don't know about you. You want to fold in this right there. So, and when you have that folded in, you want to fold these ends in. And at the beginning, if you were wondering why I made you make it into a sideways rectangular form, you'll find out at the end of this airplane. Okay? So then you should have that, what you're looking at right now. Please make sure you do have paper with you. Then you fold up the airplane completely. So you fold up the airplane and then you make the wings. And then you make the wings. I can hear people outside my studio. What? I can hear you outside of my studio. Well, we're not coming in because the sign doesn't say we can. I know. I'm making a video. Okay, so then you make the airplane like this. It's done. Doesn't matter how big you make the wings, or it doesn't matter. So then you might have this, or you might have something different. But the whole point was to make advanced air intakes. That was why we made the paper so weird looking. Okay, so now we're going to put the camera over here so we can show you how it flies. That's good enough. Okay, now watch it fly. Wait a moment. Yes, watch it fly. Did you get a good look at that? That was why it's called the Tornado. Look closer, because it'll spin as it's going down. Look again. Oh, no, that wasn't such. It just flew upside down and kind of rocked back and forth like a baby cradle. Let's do it again. It's dinner time. I already ate. Let's go again. I flew to the side. And then, like, it keeps doing that. But it should be spinning for your results of it. If not, then the advanced air intakes will always do something cool with this airplane. That's the thing I like about it. It does different things. As you can see, there's a lamp right here. It's in your face. Ow. Burned me. So, let me turn that off. I'm a ghost. Buster. Okay, turn it on. This is, hold on. Okay, so we have our first airplane created. Not looking so well at the moment, but as you can see, the wing does make a little image of a triangle coming out the back of the plane. Oh, that's not the wing at all, is it? It's a flap. Interesting. Let's put that to the side and let's grab a new sheet of paper. Oh, your second plane should have straight paper, not like the other plane. Alright. You fold in the ends of your paper like every other plane, except for one plane at the end. I call this the no-noser, and you'll find out why. Oh my god. It's taking a long time. Okay, now once you have your fold, might not have to be perfect. Then, like all other planes, except for the one at the end, you'll have to do this. Same first two steps for every plane. We're running out of time on this video. Perfect. That's nice. Alright. Take this. And then before you do anything with the crease on the bottom here, fold in the nose to that part of the airplane. Fold in the nose to right there. So now you should have a piece of paper that looks like this. Sort of like that. Okay. Then you should also on the inside have a paper that looks like this. Then you fold your plane and you fold it in. You fold the other plane in, or part in, until you have sort of something that looks like this. Okay. Then you're done. You just make the wings. I have to position it correctly. Okay, this flies a little weird. The reason is, because look at this air intake. It can't take in barely any air to do a turn or a spin or a loop-de-loop. So when this takes all the air, this intake will turn it or do something really cool with it. So just make sure you're watching this part of the video closely as this flies. It went straight down. Reason, air intake. Because this air intake's trying to take the plane down while this one's trying to do others with it. Watch. Flew to the side. So again. It flew to the side again. It's trying to do like some cool stunt because it like turns at the same time, and then it flips, and then it lands upside down. So I know it's doing something. Okay, get to our next plane. Okay. Alright. I have two examples of each plane. For the tornado, this is an example compared, well, that's the actual thing because I don't know where the example is. This is an example of the next plane. Might look very tiny, but very capable. To make that, few things we have to do. First of all, move my lamp. Turn it on. Oh, that's good. That was disgusting. Okay. Your paper, take it, fold it, fold the two edges here in, like we always do on our other planes, and then here. We're going to have to stop the video. Thank you.